Step 1, open up the Magic Ear fitting software. Enter the client's first name and then their last name. Click on the Speech Audiometry tab. Enter the client's audiogram, left and right side. Click the Selection tab. Connect the hearing aid, the red dot, matching the red dot to the programming socket, left and right sides. Attach a sound tube. Just push straight on. Attach the tulip tip. Click the Detect tab. The software will automatically detect the model and type. Next, click the Fitting tab. It will ask you if you'd like to save the client's information. Now here, P1, 2, 3, 4 indicates programming number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the auto fit. Your config ID opens up a new screen, so you can enable whether you want 1, 2, 3, or 4 memory programs. You can change the frequency and tone, where the memories will beep, and also the low battery. So if the battery is getting weak, it will beep. So you can adjust all of those settings and close the window. And then come to this tab for the auto fit. You click on the auto fit and it will give you choice of auto fitting just memory 1, 2, 3, or 4 in different environments. So memory 1 will fit for normal. Memory 2 we can do for a low noise setting. Memory 3 for a higher moderate or high noise. And memory 4 if they like to listen to music, we can set it to music. Auto fit all the memories. Now we're in the program 1 mode. We can make any adjustments to the compression levels, the noise level slider, or we can go to memory 2.
Low and high noise thing is.
Memory 2, it automatically adjusts for more of a noisier environment, but we can slide the noise level. It will reduce the low frequencies. You also have your feedback reduction to automatically reduce the feedback, or you can come to the graphic equalizer and it'll indicate which frequency, and you can click on it and lower it, and it'll automatically adjust the frequency at that setting. So you can fine tune each individual memory. We can go to memory 3. This is your overall gain, so if they want it louder, we can just increase the slider. This gray line is their target gain according to the computer's calculation, so you'll know whether you're above or below their target. Memory 4, and then you can also adjust the compression level at each individual channel. it indicates channel 1 yellow, channel 2 green, channel 3 purple, and 4 orange. So they will coincide over here with your compression. This will be channel 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this will be your threshold, channel 1, 2, 3, and 4, or A, B, C, and D is marked over here. You can also reduce the power output by this slider. And if it's a custom hearing aid, you have your choice of having a volume control or no volume control. And then if customer comes in and has a certain complaint, this wrench is like an auto doctor for troubleshooting. So if somebody, they can't understand speech, you click on it and it will give you different options to adjust. You click on S-Fix, that's the software fix, and apply, and it will automatically make the change for you. Once you are finished with the programming, you want to click on this load. That will save the settings onto the hearing aid. So next time you come back and you attach the hearing aid and come back into the software, you want to click on the read, and that will pull up the settings that have been saved on the hearing aid. So you can do individual setting changes by yourself, or you can use the computer's Dr. Fit troubleshooting guide. And then once you've, always make sure you save, and then if you click on this, like a floppy disk file, it will give you your option to save the client session, so you can add a new session or update the current session that you're on. Click OK. So if we went back into the software and you pulled up the client's information, you would be able to pull up the previous setting for the person. Then you can just exit out of the software, and the hearing aids, everything's programmed and saved into them. So if you take the hearing thing, you can just detach them from the cables. Okay, the easiest way to put the hearing aid on is to put it over the ear first so it's sitting, and then you can just slide the tubing into the ear canal, and there's a little retention cable. You just put it in and it's comfortable. The end.